Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to select multiple layers in Photoshop. Now the first step is to run Photoshop as an administrator. So you can close Photoshop, save it, and then close Photoshop, and then you can type in Photoshop in Windows search box, make a right click on Photoshop, go to open file location, make a right click again on the exe file, open file location, and then you can make a right click on Photoshop over here, go to properties, go to this tab, put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, hit apply. Now you can launch Photoshop and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to close or uninstall Power Toys. So if you have Power Toys on your computer, that may be the reason. So you can uninstall it. If you need it, you can install it again later on when you need it. Now still not working. You can press press the control key on the keyboard and then click the layers you want to select. So for example, you can press control on the keyboard, press the control key, and then along with that you can select the layer. This is just an example. Control, and you should be able to select. Now in Mac, CMD plus layer, or you can hold the shift to select arrange. Like you can press the shift key on the keyboard and then press it. If that does not work, the next step is to unlock layers. So if the layers are locked, here you can see the lock icon in front of it, so you can click on it to unlock it and then you can check. Next step is to reset preference on quit. Now for this you can go to edit, preference, general, and here you can see reset preference on quit. Are you sure you want to reset preference? If you're sure, click on OK, and then you can relaunch Photoshop and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the problem. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.